Okay, so let's talk about part 1b. Give the tRNA codons that correspond with messenger RNA given. So to understand that, let's go and take a look at translation. It's this one. Yeah, all right. So here we got translation. All right, we got our ribosomes. Over here, two ribosomal subunits, and they're going to come together and form this one big unit sitting on top of our start codon AUG. The tRNA stands for transfer RNA. Okay, and think about what's going on here. It's transferring this amino acid to our growing peptide chain or protein. In this case, this would be our first one, and our anticodon would be used to recognize our codon. And again, think about how bases recognize each other. It's always complementary base pairing. All right, complementary. That means at the DNA, A to U in this case, and C to G, right? So if we have an AUG start codon, our anticodon would be the opposite of that. And then this is how the tRNA recognizes the message in the mRNA and knows how to translate this message into an amino acid. Alright, so here our first transfer RNA has bound, again, complementary, A to U, U to A, oops, and G to C, and put a methionine amino acid. Our next codon is UUA, and note that it reads it in threes, right? So it's going to be AUG, UUA, and this next three, not AUG, UGU, GUU. Right? It's going to read it in groups of three. So we got our AUG, our second codon is UAA, and our opposite, or sorry, our anticodon to that will be complementary to this, AAU. And then that brings in a leucine. So there's a chart in your book, I believe it's on page 225, that tells you what codons code for various amino acids. Okay, so it's going to be the codon for the amino acid. And to find the anticodons to answer the question, just go complementary to the codon. So I'm going to leave you with this thought question. If our next codon is a GCA, what is the anticodon? So try to figure that out.